Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This Ramadan, the Muslim Council of Hong Kong are working with the doctors in Syria to fundraise for ICU ventilators. These ICU ventilators are so important for the doctors in Syria as we need them for our most critically ill patients. Unfortunately, on the 4th of April, on the day of the chemical attack, a lot of our patients died because many of our hospitals didn't have these ICU ventilators.
We're having to turn this patient away because we've got no more ventilators to deal with any more patients. The patients keep coming. We've run out of ventilators. We don't have enough ventilator space. So we're now taking out the transport ventilators we have in our ambulances, and we're going to try to modify them and see if we can use them for our patients.
We urge everyone that is able to donate for this ICU ventilator, one of which costs about £4,000. This is a great opportunity for a sadaqa jariyah for you, as this will go on to save many lives. We use this on a daily basis, and there's an urgent need for this equipment in the whole of Syria. We urge everyone to support this campaign and donate what you can on the link below. Thank you.